Okay, so now we will try to study few problems which are there in India. India has unity in diversity which people are following. Diverse religions, speaking different languages, belonging to different state, race and culture has been living since centuries in the country. No other country in the world has as much diversity as India. Cultural progress is not associated with particular caste or creed, but it is unified effort of the people living in India. So what they are trying to tell us is that India is united. We have lot of different languages, lot of different culture, lot of different race, lot of different religion, yet we are all united together. And we are saying the fact that our culture is progressing, we cannot say that it's because of one religion or because of one caste or because of one people that our culture has developed, but it's because of the joint efforts of all the people in India that our culture is so developed. One of the main reasons for creating the feeling of regionalism is certain greedy politician. Now first I'll explain you what is regionalism. Regionalism is a phenomena wherein I give more importance to my region rather than giving importance to the country as a whole. That is, let's say कि અત્યારના આસામમાં ફ્લડ્સ આવ્યા છે, રાઈટ? સમ પીપલ વિલ સે આપણને શું પડી છે, આસામ ક્યાં, આપણે આસામમાં ક્યાં રહે છે, તો આપણને શું ફરક પડે? Same thing happened with corona. When corona came, initially it was in Kerala. Everybody was like, શું ફરક પડે છે? આપણી સિટીમાં તો નથી આવ્યું ને, આપણા સ્ટેટમાં તો નથી આવ્યું ને, આપણી એરિયામાં તો નથી આવ્યું ને. That is regionalism. When you give more importance to your region, your state, rather than giving importance to your country. We are Indians, okay? If you would have seen that movie Chak De India, we know that it is that we are all Indians. We are not Gujarati, we are not Maharashtrian, we are not Punjabi, but we are all Indians. And why has this thing created is because of greedy politicians. Politicians who are there, politicians એટલે neta. Politicians who are there, okay, they want to get votes, they want to win. So that is why they say, you know, if I win, to Gujaratમાં હું આ કરીશ, ગુજરાતમાં હું આ કરીશ, whatever. You should be proud that you are a Gujarati, etc., etc. And because to get more votes, they have created this feeling among people. Various communal groups who exploit the feeling of the people and lure their motives. So what they are saying is this politicians who are there, okay, they exploit એટલે જે particular જગ્યાના લોકો હોય એના feelings હારે એ લોકો રમે. Because they want to get more votes from the people, they are playing with the feelings of the people. Okay, they are playing with the desires of the people, they are playing with the motives of the people. The people who create and instigate regionalism are harmful events for national unity and integrity. So those people who create regionalism, who say that our state is more important than any other state, they are harming the unity of the entire nation. The aspiration for personal development is good thought, but one who possesses danger to the society at large never aspires for overall development of the country. So they are saying that when you work towards personal development, okay, that you want to work towards the development of your own state, that is good. It is not bad to work towards your personal development or to work towards the development of your state. But if you are doing that in order to harm the country, then it is bad. If you say Gujarat ne develop karsu because Maharashtra પાસે આ નથી, Maharashtra પેલું છે, Maharashtra તેવું છે, Gujarat is very good, Maharashtra is like this, Maharashtra is like that, then that is bad. You work towards the development of your state, work towards it, but do not harm any other state or do not create hatred among people for any other state. Okay, should not be done. Instead of working on one's country is necessary. After achieving independence, the thought for one's own country should be first instead of a state. So after independence, our criteria, our main aim should be development of the whole country, not just the development of our state. It becomes very obvious for people speaking common language, sharing common culture, and living certain specific geographical region for the long time to develop emotional bondage to one another. Language, caste, religion are the three main important factors for creating regionalism. So what they are trying to say is that it's very common that people who speak common language, people who have common culture, people who are living in a particular geographical area for a long time develop an emotional bond with their state. Okay, and they are saying that the main reason why regionalism has developed is because of language, caste, and religion, which we will do now.